What you doing now, Dave?
Checking for an air leak. Karen said there's an air leak back on the tote, so I want to check to see what's what.
We're Dave and Karen from Watts on Wheels, and we sold our sticks and bricks to RV full-time now that we are retired. We travel with our heavy-duty truck Leroy, our 2 K&N motorcycles, our DRV Dixie, and our smart car Zippy. Don't forget to subscribe and click on that bell to be notified when we post a new video.
Right now I'm just charging the tank with air.
What's behind here?
Those are all the lithium batteries back in here.
Oh, you got styrofoam around them?
Insulated, yep. Alright, we are charged. Let's go back here. See if I hear anything. I don't hear anything, but that doesn't mean anything.
I know, you don't have great hearing. Very weak sounding. It was louder yesterday. Watch your head.
A slight hiss, isn't there?
Yeah, it was louder yesterday.
Okay, let me put it in reverse.
I can hear it, but it's a weak sound, but there's something in there. Can you kind of hear it?
I can hear it.
You ought to put a hat on, hon.
I can actually feel it. It's right here. Right there.
Now these are the lines that you put in, right?
Yeah. Right there.
Is it a joint, or
Yeah.
is this something you can just tighten, or what?
Put a new fitting in it.
Oh, okay. That's it.
That's it.
That's it.
First things first, I'm going to drain the air out of this tank back here. And I got to figure out which way this thing goes. This way. Alright. Took the air line off. And then I'll wrench the fitting out.
Glad to see you got your hat on.
You know it. I've already cut both hands.
Ugh.
That's why I'm wearing gloves now. There's my culprit.
Let's see.
Right there.
Uh-huh.
But I want to make sure if it's this or just the hose itself. So why don't we, while we're here, replace the hose? Yep.
Just to be on the safe side.
I think that's it. Yeah, that's it. Now, should I double it and I just make a loop up there? I think that might be the way to go.
Oh, so you can cut it again, or?
Well, so there's not so much strain on it. What's nice about those is it makes a nice clean cut, unlike what was on there. If you see, that's a little jagged.
Mm-hmm.
Where that's nice and clean. So instead of going straight across, I was hoping. Looks like I might need more. Uh-oh. Just keep bending it. It'll straighten out.
Thought you wanted to put a loop in it. You gonna?
Probably not.
Oh.
Because I determined that thing will wiggle with the loop in it.
Mm-hmm.
And when it wiggles, it'll wiggle the fitting too.
Mm.
I'll make it a little bit longer than that one. But I have a new fitting.
Well, you just happen to have a whole huge bag of O-rings and fittings there?
And what's nice about this fitting, it already has seal tape on it.
Oh, they come that way?
These do. Yeah.
Nice.
one's hooked up in there. I could do it like that. Just let it.
Is it gonna be floppy though?
I don't know.
That's what they call in your face.
That's called in your face.
Thank you much.
Now why is this one leaking?
Maybe you just didn't get it in there good enough.
Maybe not. That's the little fitting right there on the air tank. You'll see an air tank down here. And that used to be the old air compressor right there that I no longer use. So I guess I could put a new fitting in this thing. There we go. Let me try this again. I got an extra stab in it on that side.
Okay.
I felt it going a little extra.
Hear it filling. It's still leaking. It's still leaking. So did you decide to change the other one too?
Yeah. This is where a deep well 11/16 come in handy. Alright. Okay, let's try that. There's a little tear.
Oh yeah?
Looks like down in there. I'll have to see about taking these apart and putting a new seal on.
Alright, let's see what
One more
happens.
time.
Filling. I'm not hearing anything.
I can still feel. That sounds about right.
You don't feel anything?
Nope. Sounds about good to me.
Alright. Dave, the infamous question, Captain Popeye.
Well,
How many bears?
4.
4? That sounds about right.
Well, if that's the case, we'll have 5.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. We'd love to hear from you in the comments below, even if it's just to say hi. Don't forget to subscribe.